Hi everyone, I'm Lily. I'm 7. Today I'm going to read a story. The title of this story is The Elephant and the Bee. Long ago, all animals lived by a tropical lake. The first elephant lived next door to the first lake. The horse lived next door to the first lake. The elephant was larger than the other animals. He was quite round. He had thick gray skin, big floppy ears, and a short little nose. One dry summer day, a great fire raged across the world. The large elephant ran as fast as he could away from the fire. Then the elephant ran past a swarm of bees. They were very scared. Help us! They buzzed. How do I know? I'll take you to the lake, said the elephant. So the swarm of bees flew into the elephant's nose. They felt safe. The elephant soon got to the lake. He jumped into the water and swam to a log. There, he watched the fire burn. After the fire was out, the elephant said to the bee, "You can leave my nose now. You are starting to tickle." The bees, however, liked the new home. It is quite cozy in here. I will stay. They buzzed. This made the elephant mad. "No, you won't," he said. The elephant stuck his sharp nose in the water. He sucked water into it, then he blew the water back out his nose. The bees shouted, "Here! Here!" The elephant blew again and again. With each great burst of water, the elephant's nose grew longer. Soon the elephant's nose was very long. It was no longer the nose. It was a great big trunk. All of the bees had been washed out of the elephant's trunk. One by one, they flew away. The elephant looked at his face in the lake. "I like this new look," he said. He dipped his trunk into the lake and squirted water into the air. You can still see elephants doing this today. They're just making sure no pesky bees are still hiding in there. And bees, well, they would like to live inside an elephant trunk, but they know they will be washed away. So bees now live in